Wonders here, and in today's video I'll be playing the Battle Cats. I was scrolling through my app store and I found this game and it looked really cute. It had good reviews, so I'm deciding to play it for YouTube. So let's do this. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. It says Korea. Okay, I'll attack them. I want to attack them, I guess. The battle begins. Attack the enemy's base. That sounds easy enough. Tap this icon and produce a cat. I'm reading it in my mind now, so if you want to read it, pause the video, I guess. Why is there an... Oh, it tapped on it. Was I supposed to? Yeah. There's an angry man tapped. Oh, there's an angry man. So I have to wait 50 and I have to wait for this to reload. Okay, cool. Let's see what I could do while it's loading. I'm trying down my... Ooh, I could scroll around the screen. I want to do that. The cats kind of take a while to get up. Ooh, this is really kind of fun, but really easy. I just tap the icon as I please. Let's tap this. He looks so cranky. The man that says, what? Burly cat cannon enemies, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So wherever the line goes is where it's gonna fire. So, none of my enemies are there yet. I think this is gonna be pretty easy. What is that number there? Oh, that's how much I've attacked it. Never mind. I'm pretty sure as the levels go by, it's gonna get harder. I might need to do some research on this app. I don't know, maybe not. I like when I play a game, I like to be surprised at what it does. I don't like to watch YouTube videos about how to play it and stuff, because then it's not that fun. I like to discover by myself. Ooh, victory! Gained 100,000 XP. I received treasure. Superior kimchi. Yay? What do I do with it? Okay. Let's read this. The treasure menu has been unlocked. Get cat treasures to activate cat treasure bonuses. Okay, cool. The item shop is now open. You can buy many useful items in the battle there. Okay, cool. Log in daily. Ooh. One day. Day 1. Received. Okay, cool. More until 29. Get this back. Ooh, what is that? Is he on like a bike? Cool. What is this? Special bonus received. Got an item? Okay. I'm just getting a whole bunch of prize. What the heck? No! What is happening? No. Upgrade. What is this? Upgrade. Okay, I'll upgrade. Upgrade. Oh, that's all? It's a tank. I love it. What's a store? No, I don't need it. Okay. Can I battle? Okay, start. Where are we? How to use items. Tap on an item card to... Okay. Well, I have none, so... I'm going to this place now. Cool. I might play like about 4 to 5 levels. Yeah. Okay, first we have to send out a cat, of course. Next, I'm gonna see how tank cat works. Oh no, the doggy's catching up on us. Kill all doggies. Oh, I feel bad for this doggy. Never mind. Wouldn't it be cool if they created a game called The Battle Dogs, and then it's like you're the enemy, so you're bad. What the heck? This is hard. I'm trying to get a tank, please. Okay. Ooh, what is that? Oh, all of their like towers are different. That's cool. I'm pretty sure I can do this. I don't need a fire because like I'm gaining up on them, so they're not really behind that line. It's so cute. It has such a long body and like 4 legs. Oh. Okay. Aww, that's the first tank cat they killed, I think. We win! Okay, I gained 1,000. Cool. Okay. The worker cat is important. Higher levels give more money. More money means more cats. Upgrade all the cats. Okay. Let's see if I can upgrade anything. I don't want to upgrade. Ooh, how much? Did I turn it into anything? No. About this, do I have enough to upgrade? Okay. Here we are. I am not upgrading. Okay, let's start. I'm going to China. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, the money icon's going faster. Is anyone coming? Oh yeah. That's so cool. China, the Great Wall, or what it's called? I forgot. It looks so cute. Well, not cute. I don't. Never mind. I'm just gonna send some cats and I'm gonna upgrade soon. Okay, there. Okay. I love how the cat looks. When I was in the app store getting the app, like installing it, I saw that like they have pictures of what the game kind of looks like, and I saw it, and I saw some of the cats, and I thought they were so cute. I saw so many different ones, and I heard there were like gods and all kind of things, but yeah, I'll just see those stuff later. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like a little mini series, and then eventually I might stop playing. I wish this cannon went all the way to the tower. Wouldn't it be cool if like the animals from China were to battle my cats and stuff, instead of just being dogs? Because, you know, not all of them are dogs. There's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Okay, cool. Axe. I see an axe. It's so cute. Okay, let's play with it. Start. We're going to Thailand. Cool. I'm gonna play this and another round, and then maybe another one. I don't know. Let me check my time. Okay, I'll just play this one and another one, and then I'm gonna end this video. It's so cute. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh, is that like... I don't really know much about Thailand. I know a little bit about China. Oh, I forgot. I was forgetting to send out cats. I was admiring my cats. How dare you kill? I haven't been paying attention to the tank cat, but it's so cute the way it fights. Like it bends down and like it sends their enemies flying. Okay, I have to save up. I have to save up for the axe cat. Let's just put out a simple cat to like prepare ourselves for the axe cat. This axe cat better be good. Oh shoot, I forgot to level up. Just waiting for my axe cat. Hopefully it's okay. What are these enemies? They're little like men that's trying to... They just took out my tank cat. Axe. That's so cute. It walked really fast. Definitely worth the money. Okay, imagine if I sent it out and like this tower was already defeated. I need to send out more cats. I put out another one. Another one. The axe cat really like takes him out. Like he swings the axe. Those little men, they slap you. They're like pow pow pow, pow pow pow. I beat them. Keep your enemies pinned down with cover from the sniper cat. Let loose a powerful camera. Oh, I don't even have it yet, so. What's this? Ooh, treasure. Collect these treasures to speed up money. Oh. Okay. Let's upgrade some cats. Oh, that's where my XP is? Okay, I have 3,000. Yeah, I'm not gonna upgrade. Ooh, special cats? What is this? What the heck? There's a god? Oh, wow. Thanks, God Cat. I didn't know there was a God Cat. That really surprised me. Next, we're going to Cambodia. The battle begins. Ooh, what the heck? Do you believe in God? Tap above for the battle. Oh, okay. Ooh, is that Buddha? Oh, never mind. I didn't know what I was. I don't know. Oh, shoot, I forgot to send out a cat. I really want to use my cat cannon, but I don't want to waste it. So. Okay, let's send out a tank cat. Send out this cat. Upgrading that. So far, we're good. Have a lot of cats. Like, just need a little bit more money to get that axe cat. Yay. I wonder what happened to Axe's cat eye, because it has like an X. I don't really know. Do you see that? It has an X. my god until like later in the game because I don't want to waste it. It costs like 2,000 XP and that's a lot. Okay, it's going good so far. Yay, I won. I gained 2,000. Oh, wow. I received a treasure. Superior smiles of children. How do they get their smiles? Upgrade. Okay. Okay, so that was it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And tell me if you want to see more of this gameplay because I really enjoy playing it. And even if you don't tell me to keep playing it, I might keep playing it. So, yeah. That was it for this video. And bye, guys. See ya in my next video.